What's up, guys? Your boy is back with some more Friday the 13th for y'all heads, alright? Pause on that. But anyway, I'm a counselor. I'm AJ, of course. Because I don't know how, y'all, but every single gameplay I ever had, I've always been AJ with you guys. So might as well stick with it for now. Until I want to switch back to Jenny. Because if I'm Jenny, then it's a wrap. But, besides the point. On this one, y'all, this was like really, I should have been showed y'all this. I took forever to show y'all this one jank for Pinehurst. Now, I know I haven't even showed y'all a Roy gameplay. The Imitator Jason, a.k.a. And, basically, just had to make sure, you know? So anyway, y'all, I sort of skipped through it since it was this is a long video, so I may skip through a couple of parts. And yeah, Jason's gonna come after me sometimes. It's not gonna be a gameplay when you don't even see him. So yeah, we're about to do this. Let's go. Alright. We gotta make sure that jank right. Y'all know what I'm saying? Cause I got that good. Alright. Oh, here we go. Y'all can see how I got some first aids, and of course, I'm talking in this one, but not right now. But see, there's Chili, my friend. That's what I was trying to find. But Roy was like right at the next house, and I'm just waiting for this fool to see what he gonna do. Yes, y'all, I put the trap there. Who knows? Hey, Jason would fall for anything. Well, it's not even Jason's fault. Wow. See? There he is, right there, my boys. We're just throwing daggers. Never mind. At this point, I'm thinking, y'all, we gotta get out of there, though. That's the only way. Anyway, regardless, guys, I mean, I had to bring y'all another jank. And yes, I realize, y'all, I'm showing y'all a lot of Friday, but it's not my fault because I just want the new stuff to come out. Just like everyone else. Just like you guys.
Really? Oh, y'all, we found the homie.
I told y'all I was talking. Right. But I really want...
He didn't come out to me, but he was close, y'all. Great.
I really want that stuff. Like, for real.
Like the big main house. You know what? I need to go over there because I need to see how that place looks. Does it look
I'm
cool?
gonna let me take over right now. Oh, there's the homie Brian.
You know I can fix that for us. Yeah.
Wow. But y'all, I wasn't gonna lie. I mean, when I was looking around in this map, they got that house. They got a dope looking house in there. That's a dope looking house. Especially on the inside.
Cause I haven't found one yet.
That was my first time in that house. This was the first time.
Bruh, it's like, this is on, well, I played it as Jace offline, but I didn't play it online, so that's why.
Yeah, I didn't look all around because when I was Jason, it was just about getting everybody.
That's the music.
What's up?
Be careful, Shelly, I'm telling you. I mean, if you want me to handle that propeller for you, I can do it. I mean, we just gonna call you Brian. That's all I can come up with, Brian. Oh shoot!
Y'all, they got 8-Ball.
Shoot,
8-Ball from Game Pitching.
What is this, Game Pitching all over again?
See, that's that game right there. I been playing 8-Ball always on that. 8-Ball, basketball, y'all name it. Battleship.
Roy, please.
Oh. Y'all, I thought he was in the water. But yeah, y'all, just to let y'all know, if y'all did not already know, Part 5 is a imitator Jason. His name is Roy. Roy. Alright? Yeah, stop talking for the time being. For a sec. It's Jason right there. Well, it's not Jason, Roy. He's right there. I didn't even notice that trap. Am I gonna get it, y'all? Dang it!
Oh, thank God it actually fit.
I always gotta mess up on one. Sometimes. Sometimes, y'all, I can just get it right on the first take. Oh. What am I? God. I think you got Brian. Yep, you got the homie Brian. You got the water for a second, my boys. It's coming. It's coming. He's here, my boys. I got the cure. Oh, where's he going? Oh no, Chili. Kill Chili. Y'all, this may be the most sophisticated escape that I will ever have to do, alright? He's still here. Y'all may be wondering, like, does he come through? No. He's not even in there. But like, think about it. To you people, to some of y'all, I know some of y'all do like Roy. Well, here's the thing about Roy. He is the only Jason that I have not yet killed. I have to be Tommy in order to kill him. Have to. Okay, y'all, maybe he does come through. I gotta get from under there. He's checking. Getting the freak up out of there. There's a gas right there. Yo, he's still in the house. Tommy, shoot him. I think that was the homie Brian.
Holy shit, is that a dead body?
Chili had the gas. Gonna have to make sure I get revenge for Chili. God. Y'all, I can't do it if he's doing that. In the bed. Gotta hit this fool.
You like that, asshole?
Y'all see how I didn't miss? Your boy was focused. Oh, God, Tommy. It was Brian. Brian! Bro. The weapon. You beat the crap. Y'all see your boy? He ran right into that. Alright, when I knock him out again. Uh-oh. Oh yeah, by the way, y'all, I saw that movie Black Panther yesterday. That movie was fire. You hear me? Everyone who has not seen Black Panther, you need to see that crap.
You want some more?
Shoot, might as well call this the celebration also for Black Panther, because Black Panther, oh my God, that movie was on point. The dialogue, the action, everything. I'm not gonna spoil it for you guys. I'm not gonna spoil, because I'm not one of the people who would spoil a movie. But all I can tell y'all is that that was a dope movie. Black Panther was on point. That is all I'm gonna tell y'all. Now watch your boy get away like a pro. Because like y'all, when I'm really into that emotion, you can't really lose. You don't even think about dying. You think about just escaping Roy. And at this point, I couldn't kill him because Tommy was gone, which was Brian. So since the homie Brian was gone, I had to get out of there.
Let's freaking go!
We got that. Your boy survived.
Y'all, I got away.
Really? Crazy, Jay?
Oh, that fool with a. I just survived the homie part 4, well, part 5 for the first time.
And that was for the first time. But yeah, y'all. Regardless to this, your boy escaped. I mean, y'all, that was action-packed in this video. I was moving. I was running away from him for a second. And then I had to hit him. Because either Brian was going to shoot him or hit him if I got grappled, because I didn't have a pocket knife. And Jason knew that he had a pocket knife, so that's why he didn't grapple him. If he falls for his trap, he ain't going to let him heal. As y'all saw. But yeah, y'all, also check out that movie Black Panther. Oh my God. Y'all would not believe how much money that they have already gotten for Black Panther. I mean, they at least have like 400 million. Who knows? Maybe it changed by now, because that movie was fire. I couldn't go to sleep. I couldn't even go to sleep on that movie. That's why it was so amazing. There are so many movies out there that some of them are so freaking boring. I just want to go to sleep. But it depends on it. If it's like a dramatic story or a movie, I may watch it all. Maybe without going to sleep. And also, guys, for this video, hit your boy with that thumbs up. And y'all, please, if you have not yet already, check out the movie Black Panther, alright? Just check it out. Just check that out. Everybody. Including my cousins. See, me and my family, we already seen it. So, that counts. So, guys, I know I have not yet, this is one thing I have not yet done for y'all. I have not yet given y'all the UFC jink that I have been saying that I'm going to do. But you know what? I'm going to do a gameplay instead of a live stream. At first I was thinking a live stream. But apparently, I could do a live stream, but I think I'll just wait until like the weekend or Friday to do that. Because like, I feel like when we have these little gameplay jinks, y'all, we always have fun when we do this. Always. So y'all check that out. Give this video a thumbs up. Give me some comments, y'all. Could really use them. You already know. I already know you, Demon Wolf. You gonna see this jank. Who knows? Maybe you probably seen Black Panther. Can you tell me that if you come to the jank? Just tell me. Alright, now for everybody else, I hope everybody have a good day. Check out Black Panther. That movie is fire. That is the last time I say fire today on this video. So y'all, peace.